This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. Nestled along the tree-lined streets of the picturesque gated community of Marbella at Davenport is this spacious 4-bedroom/2-bath pool home. The generously sized split-bedroom floor plan features both a formal living room and great room. The eat-in kitchen offers Expresso Stained 42 inches upper cabinetry with crown molding trim, granite countertops, stainless steel appliance package, breakfast bar, closet pantry, Moen Faucet and a handy chalkboard accent wall that is ideal for drafting a shopping list or quick communication between family members. The great room is enhanced with vaulted ceilings and oversized glass sliding doors that offer lovely pool views. The formal dining room features new wood vinyl plank flooring and is painted in a neutral palette. The master bedroom suite features a walk-in closet and wall-to-wall carpeting. The master bathroom offers Corian Countertops, dual sinks, luxurious garden tub, water closet and a walk-in tiled shower surrounded by Decorative Listello Tile. A hallway landing featuring a built-in desk with storage cabinetry. For your outdoor entertainment there is a delightful solar-heated pool and a screened-in lanai for family gatherings. Other amenities include a laundry room with /washer and dryer, roof with /architectural shingles, double pane windows, stone exterior facade, carriage lighting, irrigation system, paved driveway and a 2-car garage with door opener. This wonderful property is located in a family-friendly community offering sidewalks that are ideal for strolling, playground and tennis courts. Great convenient location within minutes from I-4 and Orlando attractions. Monthly HOA fees include lawn service, cable and internet TV with Spectrum along with community amenities. For more information, review the details.